Hello, guys, gals, everybody out there. Just wanted to let you know I have removed the Windows support at my end on the cloud provider Vultr, VULTR. Um, so if you want to test your technical capabilities to run algo trading, a lot of people wanted Windows. I have a course here available on my store or shop. I'll put the link in so you can test that out, install it, configure it. But as I said, I'm not going to be able to support you anymore because I got rid of my virtual servers found on my Vultr account. So you'll be uh, able to set it up yourself via this course. The security as well, as the course says, it's up to you how you handle it. Plus, there's the Python installation. What I'm finding, depending upon what you run and where you run it, my client trading script for Python for the trading signals has a way to recover from signaling, so you won't be out of sync. It'll throw a couple exceptions, but it'll be able to get synchronized right away with the crypto trading scripts. So it's kind of designed to recover with that, with again exceptions. One way to get around this is just set up the client script with your own Python environment on a local machine, maybe, be it Windows, Mac, or Linux. It is still a requirement. You'll know how to set all that up. And yeah, you can run it locally. And the reason why I mentioned about if you're, I don't know, a lot of common excuses are that their internet or hydro gets kicked out, or say electricity, not hydro, gets kicked out, or you have a spike or it has an outage. Once your system comes back up, you'll be able to get recovering quickly. I mean, depending upon where you live. Using Vultr, you can definitely set up your own environment, be it Windows or Linux. Vultr is fairly cheap as well. So it just depends upon your technical capabilities. That's why I've got this free. It's a free course. I just want to make sure you understand that it's this one. Get this free course for free by applying the coupon code BILL during the process. So you can test out your technical skills on with Windows Server 2019. But I hate to say you'd be on your own to set that up. So hopefully you have the technical chops to be able to do that and also install Python as well. So as I said, I've removed all of those instances, Windows 2019 server instances off my Vultr, so I won't be able to really help you out. I'll try what I can in terms of verbally helping you, but that's one of the big reasons. Is just it's a very expensive option to have. So I just decided nobody's been needing it and not needing the help, so I got rid of it. I'll just leave it at that. So just to let you know what's going on with the Windows Server instances on my Vultr, I've removed them, and most likely I won't be able to help you out. So, but at the same time, you can try out this course to test out your technical trading skills, and that's again available at quantlabs.net/shop. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.